Hola, ¿cómo vais? Do you want to master indefinido? You are in the right place. So today we are gonna learn the regular forms from indefinido, how to conjugate them, how to build sentences, and how to write texts. Are you ready?
Si te quedas conmigo a estudiar, vas a aprender los verbos transitivos y el imperativo del verbo amar.
Indefinido or pretérito indefinido, one of the possible past tenses in Spanish. Sorry about this because as you know we have three, pretérito perfecto, indefinido and imperfecto, but now we are gonna concentrate in indefinido. So to conjugate indefinido, we must differentiate if the verb finishes with ar, with or with ir. So if the verb finishes with ar, I need to replace this ar for aste, o, amos, astes, aron. So for example, if I want to conjugate hablar, to speak, and I want to say I spoke, then I must say yo hablé, or you spoke, tú hablaste, él, he, or ella, she habló, spoke. Yeah, in English it's very easy. Sorry about this because you don't really change, but we change this. So you need to learn these endings, please. So, nosotros hablamos, vosotros hablasteis, ellos hablaron. Let's gonna see some examples. So, imagine I have these three verbs and I want to write sentences to speak about what I did yesterday, and I want to put these sentences in a nice text. So I have llamar por teléfono, to make a phone call, mandar un mensaje, to send a message, y cocinar, to cook. So I can start, for example, ayer, no, yesterday, mi madre, my mother, llamó, and I replace R for O because I'm talking about my mother. So mi madre llamó y hablé con ella. Hablé. And look, I don't write yo because, as you know, in Spanish we write and we speak without the subject most of the time. So, hablé. Yo hablé, I spoke. Con ella, with her. Después, after this, or later, mandé un mensaje. Again, I'm talking about myself. Yo, ¿no? Mandé un mensaje a mi amiga Ana, to my friend Ana. I need dice a, yeah, to my friend, a mi amiga. Por la tarde, in the afternoon, cociné. Again, I'm talking about me. Cociné yo una sopa, a soup. Let's gonna see another examples with reflexive verbs. If you don't remember what reflexive verbs are and how to use them, please click the link above. So if I have a reflexive verb, like for example, despertarse, to awake, or ducharse, to take a shower, we notice that it's a reflexive verb because the infinitive finishes with ar, duchar, but also with se, ducharse, yeah, despertarse. So if this is the case, I need to use the reflexive pronoun. Please, if you don't remember what is reflexive pronoun, oh, what is this? Click the link above because I have a video about it. Anteayer, the day before yesterday, me desperté. Again, dice yo, I is not here, but the reflexive pronoun is here. I need to write it, I need to speak it, and it needs to be always before the conjugate verb. So me desperté a las 8, at 8 o'clock. Y me duché. But what happens if I don't want to talk about me and I want to talk, for example, about Luis? Yeah, Luis is this guy here. How would it be? Then I need to use the conjugation about Luis, then in this case is o, yeah, so despertó, and the reflexive pronoun according to he es se, so anteayer se despertó a las 8 y se duchó. Let's gonna see now what happens if the infinitive finishes with or with ir. The good news are that the ending is exactly the same. So I need to replace or ir for iste, yo, imos, isteis, ieron. So for example, if I have volver, to come back, volví, volviste, volvió, volvimos, volvisteis, volvieron. Repeat it. Notice that the V, it doesn't sound like a V, it sounds like a B. So the lips are together. Volví, nicht volví, so volví. It's also the same with vivir, to live. Viví, viviste, vivió, vivimos, vivisteis, vivieron. Repeat it. The lips are together. Let's gonna see an example. So now I want to talk about yesterday and I want to use comer to eat and beber to drink. La semana pasada, last week, no comimos. We didn't eat, not a lot. No comimos mucho. But, bebimos un montón. We drank a lot. Now I'm using imos because I'm talking about we, nosotros. And again, nosotros is not there. We don't need to speak it. We don't need to write it. And now I want to build the same sentence, but I want to speak about Ana. Yeah, so I need to put yo because I'm talking about Ana, she. La semana pasada Ana no comió mucho, pero bebió un montón. She drank a lot. Bebió un montón. Let's gonna see some examples with a verb that finishes with ir. Por ejemplo, escribir, to write, dormir, to sleep. Escribí muchos informes. I wrote a lot of reports. Durante la semana. During the week. Por eso, this is why or that is why, el fin de semana, on the weekend, dormí mucho. I slept a lot. Y eso es todo, and that's it. If you finish with the lesson and you know how to use it, then you are ready for Indefinido Part 2, Indefinido Parte 2, because we want to master Indefinido. Hasta pronto!